ביאור משנה ו' תלה בקטן עד שיגדיל. The oldest one says, look, I have a smaller brother. When he becomes 14 years old, he will marry her. He's now 7. She can wait for 7 years. You know? אם הגדול שבאחים אמר, if the brother said, the oldest brother said, שימתינו לאחיו הקטן, let's wait for my small brother, עד שיגדל, until he will become older, שמא הוא יבמנה. He probably will want to marry her once he becomes 13. או בגדול, או שתלה בגדול האחים עד שיבוא מנת הים, or he says, you know what, I've got another brother, he's older, he's going to come in January back from overseas. שהיה הגדול שבאחים מנת הים, the biggest brother was in another country, וגדול האחים שלפנינו אמר שימתינו עד שיבוא האח הגדול ממנו, and one says, wait until my oldest brother, it's his responsibility, is coming, let's say, in a year or 6 months, whatever it is, או בחירש, או בשוטה, or this guy is חירש or שוטה cannot get married because, from the Torah, either one of them. But you can have a חירש or שוטה, a חירש which is temporary, that a deaf person, that the doctor says it's a temporary, in 6 months he will be healed. Or a שוטה, you know, he's got some, he's schizophrenic, but every 6 months or every 1 year, he comes normal again. You know, whatever it is. You know, like crazy people, they go off the way, and then they come back. So when they come back, he's going to be liable to get married. Okay? Ad sheyavriu, it says, let's wait for them until they become healed. En shom'im lo. It says, you don't deal with such a thing. You don't listen to him. Lehamtin, to wait. Elo omrim lo, the one who's available right now. You tell him, alecha mitzvah. It says, like you is the mitzvah. Or chalotz or yabam. Or do chalitza or yabima. So let's say, if he's not the oldest one, if he's the second oldest, for example, and his oldest brother went overseas, he cannot say, now it becomes his responsibility. He cannot say, wait for my brother to come back, he's older. No. We're not waiting. Whoever is right here, right now. Maybe if it's for 2 days, they will wait. But you understand what I'm saying?
Or if it's the 3 months that they
or it's a 3 months, maybe they will wait. Yeah.
Okay, if it doesn't come 3 months, you're doing it.
That's right.
Here's a 3 months ticket.
Yeah, for example.
But they don't let him any foilish.
That's right, no foilish stick. Yeah. או ייבם, שאין משים את מצוות הייבום. You don't let the poor woman wait. והיא מוטלת על גדול האחים שלפנינו הראוי לייבם. And it is put on the biggest one on the oldest one of the brothers that are right here, right now. We're not going to wait for the older brother to come from overseas.